Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 15DC. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen 15DC can't hold a charge, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a battery that has worn out over time and cannot retain its capacity. If left unattended, it may lead to further complications, such as unexpected shutdowns or even damaging the internal components of your laptop. To carry out the battery replacement, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and of course, a compatible replacement battery for your HP Omen 15DC. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the back cover of the laptop using the plastic opening tool. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery. It is usually situated near the center and is identifiable by its cables and connectors. Carefully disconnect the battery cables by gently pulling the connectors apart. Take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the battery in place. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them for the new battery. Once the screws are out, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Place the new battery in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. When reassembling, take care to align the back cover properly and press down gently to snap it back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the laptop is reassembled, plug it in and power it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If your device powers up and recognizes the new battery, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging and then discharging it. Additionally, avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures, as this can affect battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.